Hello students. In this tutorial we will show you how to add-drop courses for the upcoming semester. We're going to start on the Massasoit Community College homepage and click into the My Massasoit portal. Once in the portal, click Student, and then we're going to navigate to Registration Financial Services. Click Add-Drop Courses. Then on the registration menu, click Add Drop Classes. Confirm the term that we're going to make changes for. And this will bring us to the Add Drop Classes page. When we scroll down, we'll see our current schedule. In this case, Preparation for College Math 3 and Beginning Arabic 1. We also have the option as we scroll down to add course registration numbers to add to our schedule, or in our case, we want to switch out the Beginning Arabic 1 for a different foreign language. To find the course number, we'll go back to the Massasoit homepage, scroll down, and go to Search for Courses. On the course search page, all we have to do is select a different subject. We can keep all other settings as they are. From the credit subjects, we're going to select Modern Languages, Cape Verdean. Click Search, and this will show us an open section for the upcoming semester. Write down or copy and paste the course registration number. Let's go back to Add Drop Courses. We're going to paste our course registration number for Cape Verdean. Now, if we hit Submit Changes right now, we would just add that course to Preparation for College Math 3 and Beginning Arabic. But let's say we want to swap out those foreign languages. We can click to the Action button and click Drop Web. Then click Submit Changes. As we can see, the Beginning Arabic has been replaced with Beginning Cape Verdean Creole 1. This concludes the tutorial on adding and dropping courses for the upcoming semester. Have a great day.